What are the dream workshops?
An opportunity to engage children in holding on to their own ideas and beliefs about what they potentially could be in the future, and a way of really tapping into their strengths and their qualities now.
Little Chick Has Lunch on the Moon is the book that I've written. Okay. Now, have any of you got brothers or sisters that were maybe here last year and came home with the book?
Why do you want the dream workshops for the children of Coleshill Heath?
Well, one of our priorities here has really been to instill a love of reading and raise the culture of reading for our children and support them to become avid readers. And so, of course, the vehicle of the book has really helped to tap into our current priority at school, but with a true purpose around their social and emotional well-being.
So the reason that I wrote this as well was because I was told that I wouldn't be able to achieve things, and I wanted children to know that they could. Regardless of what other people say, that if you put your mind and heart into it, that you can become whatever you want to become.
What's been the impact of the dream workshops on the children so far?
It really planted a bit of a seed for them around getting them to think about, well, in our mission statement we talk about dreaming big and thinking big and imagining. So that really tied into our whole mission statement.
How is helping to raise aspirations, increase the confidence and resilience in the children? How's that helping?
Yeah. Confidence, resilience, all those sorts of skills, they're linked closely together with successful outcomes and grit in learning. So one of the things that we've worked with somebody called James Nottingham on the Learning Pit, and through the Dreams workshops we were able to deepen and reinforce that work. Through the Dreams workshops it's enabled children to realise that there's a bigger picture, and also in connecting to other children across the globe, and the fact that a book is gifted to other children helps them to see that it's not, it is about them, but how they can also affect change in the world.
So with Little Chick Has Lunch on the Moon, what's it telling us really? What's the message? To always follow your dreams. What else is it telling us? Have resilience. Brilliant. That's about being strong to deal with all the things that people put against us. Don't stop reading. Love that.
What did you dream of becoming when you were a child?
A teacher.
What influenced that outcome?
Fantastic teachers influenced that outcome. So for me personally, I grew up in a city. My grandparents raised me. I was the first in my family to go to university, and then I actually started my degree at Birmingham University when my son was 4 months old, and I graduated with a first class honours degree.
Turn to your dreams page, and I want you to write down what it is that you want to be when you get bigger, okay?
What do you wish you'd have been taught as a child that you're now teaching the children of Coleshill Heath?
Probably a belief that you do have the resilience and the strength within you to face challenges and overcome them. I think I've learnt that going through very challenging times, coming out the other end and thinking, oh, I survived that. But it would be great to have that instilled in the message, instilled in someone actually telling me that.
So never think that what you do doesn't have an impact. It absolutely does. Everything that we decide to do and the action that we take on it, it's like a pebble in water. It has a massive ripple effect. So even though we're here today doing this Dreams workshop, in a few months' time, that ripple is going to have reached the other side of the world to children that we're going to be helping to make a difference. So on your postcard, I want you to really think about the message that you might want to give to them.
Now, Alison aims to have Dreams workshops delivered in all primary schools across the UK.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on that?
Well, obviously, she's in my school delivering Dreams workshops. So obviously I believe in this work. I think that it's a realistic aspiration. I don't just think it's a dream, I think it's doable. So I think it's actually a target and a goal that is achievable.
What are dreams?
Dreams are what you want to do that when you're older, or things that you want to achieve.
Good. Why do you think dreams are important?
Because if you didn't have any dreams, your life would be worthless, because having dreams, it gives a spark to your life and it makes you want to do something.
That's really good. What's your dream?
My dream is to be a dancer or a teacher and teach other people how to learn and dance.
Nice, really like it. What will you have to do to make your dream come true?
You just have to work hard and put the effort and time into it.
Really good. So what did you enjoy about today's dream workshop? Let me say that one again. It's alright.
I enjoyed that Mr. Laney signed everybody's books and how we're helping people in South Africa.
Yeah, really like that. So tell me about your book. What do you like about your one?
I like about it that she's took the time to do autograph all of them, and she's had the time to do every child, and she went to all these different schools and read to them. So I think that she's a good author, and that she's very friendly.
Nice, I really like that. So, who are you to talk to about Little Chip?
I would mostly talk to people who love books and people who like reading, because it's a very adventurous book, because obviously it's about going on the moon, and people who like stargazing and looking at the stars in space.
Nice.
Oh.
So, how did Alison and the Dreams Workshop make you feel today?
It just made me feel like really happy, because you don't really get that opportunity every day. Be determined, don't give up.
So if you're a corporate organisation that's looking to make a difference and maybe don't have a cause right now, the Dreams Workshops could be for you. We're here today with a local school, Coleshill, Heath, that is making a difference for their children through exploring their dreams and aspirations, but also looking at the skills that they'll require in readiness for their next role, which could be with your company. So if you want to empower your local communities with Dreams Workshops and helping the children go from classroom to boardroom, we'd love you to get in touch and to explore how you could sponsor local schools in your community.